Hello guys and welcome to Megabyte. I'm Freddy, and well, we're working on the case for my new personal rig. It's taking a bit longer than I expected, but well, that's kind of expected. But well, we're working on it, and I'm sorry for the lack of uploads because I've been working on the new PC. I've been working on Megabyte as a company, and I've been working. So yeah, time is low, but yeah, I'm trying to step up a bit and be better at it and get your videos and get you updated much more frequently. So yeah, sorry about the vlog. It's gonna be a bit vloggy for the next couple of times until the build is done. When the build is done, it's coming. I will upload a new video with the most of the build in it. Some of it I haven't recorded, some of it I have, and I'll try to edit it in the best I can to make you the best possible video about the new build. So yeah, that's a bit about how it's going right now. So it's fully acrylic, and it's gonna be kept fully acrylic. There's not gonna be any metal for mounting. It's not gonna be any, well, no metal inside except for the screw holes for the motherboard. That's the only thing that's going to be metal in it, I think, and a few magnets to hold the side panel. So yeah, I flipped the motherboard. I'm gonna flip the motherboard because the opening is on the normal side for the back side, and that's because I want to show off the graphics card a bit more, because the water cooling is gonna be visible anyways. People are gonna see it however I do it. So yeah, so that's about it right now. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll promise I'll do more updates and I'll do more videos for you. But yeah, as I said, been busy trying to get everything working out as it should. So today I actually feel like we're on the right path. So I'll see you in the next video. Again, sorry about the vloggy style, but hit like, hit subscribe if you liked the video and you want to see more of this build and more from Megabyte. We really appreciate all the follows, all the likes, and all the comments. So yeah, any ideas or tips or tricks or thoughts about the build, comment down below and I'll answer any one or every one of them. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it's coming out really soon. So see you.